Asus Rog Zephyrus G16. Unity Systems Solutions. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Techo AV, your one-stop destination for the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving deep into one of the sleekest gaming laptops of 2025, the Asus Rog Zephyrus G16 GU605C. It's got power, it's got style, and it's rocking the brand new Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 5070Ti GPU, all in a super slim 1.49cm chassis. Let's see if this futuristic beast lives up to the ROG name. This year's Zephyrus G16 brings a fresh design story. Precision CNC machined aluminum, a clean platinum white finish, and that signature slash lighting across the lid. It looks absolutely premium. Asus has refined the chassis to just 1.49cm thin, but kept it incredibly rigid. The stealth hinge and minimal branding give it a futuristic yet professional vibe, perfect for gamers and creators. Every cutout, every surface is crafted to perfection. You can actually feel the engineering in your hands. The Zephyrus G16 has always been defined by its portability, and the 2025 model is no exception. This incredible gaming machine is a true thin and light, weighing in at just 1.85 kilograms, with some models measuring as low as 1.49 centimeters thick. Paired with a 90Wh battery that supports fast charging from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes and support for Wi-Fi 7 wireless networking, the Zephyrus G16 is the ultimate gaming and productivity machine for those on the move. Finally, laptop gamers can enjoy the ultra-fast response times and incredible contrast ratios that are only possible with OLED technology. This panel boasts a 2.5K resolution, giving it incredible pixel density on a 16-inch screen, with a 240Hz refresh rate and GSYNC that makes all of your games look silky smooth. With 100% coverage of the DCI P3 color space, color accuracy with a E of less than 1, and VESA HDR True Black 500 certification, prepare to be immersed in HDR content so lifelike that the screen melts away. 1080p FHD/IR camera for Windows Hello. This device offers an excellent and well-balanced selection of I/O ports. You get dual USB-C ports, one with Thunderbolt 4, dual USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, HDMI, and a UHS-I SD card reader, perfect for creators on the go. USB connectivity, equipped with two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A ports, users can expect transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. The trackpad and keyboard are critical for controlling your laptop, so we spared no expense with the design of the Zephyrus G16. It boasts an extra-large trackpad to maximize ease of scrolling. We've also increased the keycap size by 12% for smoother typing as well, thanks to extra rigidity from the CNC machining. An extra long 1.7mm travel distance gives the keyboard switches a premium typing feel, and with a lifetime of 20 million presses, it's a perfect long-term partner. The G16 features a 6-speaker setup with dual-side woofers, offering 47% louder volume and deep bass down to 100 Hz. Under the hood, we've got Intel Core Ultra 9 285H16 cores, 16 threads, up to 5.4 GHz. 32GB LPDDR5X RAM at 7467 MHz. 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070Ti 12GB GDDR7 GPU. 16-inch 2.5K OLED Nebula display, 240Hz refresh rate, 0.2 milliseconds response, DCI P3 100%, and 500 nits brightness. 90Wh battery, weighing just 1.95 kilograms. Windows 11 Home pre-installed with Microsoft Office 2024 plus 365 Basic, and yes, Asus throws in a Rog Zephyrus sleeve for free. Pretty stacked, right? Powered by Intel's Ultra 9285H and the RTX 5070 Ti, this laptop is built to game and create. Expect flawless performance in AAA titles, AI-powered creative workflows, and lightning-fast rendering. The new ROG intelligent cooling system with vapor chamber, Tri-Fan Tech, and liquid metal keeps temps in check while maintaining whisper-quiet operation. Plus, with NVIDIA DLSS 4 and ray tracing, you're getting next-gen visuals and performance boosts across the board. This isn't just a gaming laptop, it's also built for the AI era. The Intel NPU cores in the Ultra 9-chip power AI acceleration, helping you with tools like Microsoft Copilot, local AI tasks, and energy-efficient workloads. Creators can even use the NVIDIA Studio platform to enhance productivity in apps like Blender, Premiere, and DaVinci Resolve. G16 Pros. Powerful processor, features an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor with built-in AI accelerators for enhanced performance in both traditional tasks and modern AI applications. Dedicated graphics, equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti laptop GPU with 12GB of GDDR7 VRAM, which is ideal for demanding games and creative workloads. Advanced connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7 for faster wireless performance and an M.2 slot for a second PCIe gen for SSD for expandable storage. Advanced Optimus supports NVIDIA Advanced Optimus for seamless switching between integrated and dedicated graphics to optimize performance and battery life. Armoury Crate. When you want to tweak settings, monitor temperatures, or tinker with your laptop, Armoury Crate is your command center. Real-time monitoring allows you to see what your GPU, CPU, and memory are doing. RGB can be adjusted on a game-by-game basis with Aura Sync. Fan and power profiles allow you to change the acoustics, power delivery, and thermal characteristics of the laptop on the fly. And exclusive game deals keep your library topped off at all times. So, is the Asus Rog Zephyrus G16 GU605C worth it? Absolutely, if you're after a premium, portable, and powerful gaming laptop that doubles as a creator powerhouse. It's got cutting-edge performance, a stunning OLED display, excellent build quality, and next-gen cooling, all wrapped in a 1.9 kg chassis. If you're a gamer, creator, or just someone who appreciates top-tier engineering, this might be the laptop of the year. That's it for today's review of the Asus Rog Zephyrus G16. What do you think of this machine? Would you pick it over something like the Razer Blade or Alienware X16? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techo AV for more deep dive reviews, comparisons, and upcoming tech news. Thanks for watching. I'm Ajanthan, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay techy.